In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install remote server administration tools for Windows 10. If your Windows 10 is 1803 or lower, then we need to go to this website, and I'll put link in the description below, and we need to download remote server administration tools from this website. Once you get here, you just choose your language and then click on download, and right here you need to choose your version. And if you don't know what kind of version you're running, what you can do, if you click on start and then you click on this little gear and click on settings, and in settings click on systems, and then right here about, and right here you can see what kind of version you're running. But since I'm running 1909, what I need to do, I need to go back into settings and I need to click on apps, and right here I need to click on optional features, and right here I need to click on add features, and in here we need to scroll down and we need to find RSAT. So right here you can find all the tools that you're gonna need. So I'm gonna download a couple. For example, I'm gonna download Active Directory one. If you click on it and then click install, and then I'm gonna install DHCP server tools as well, and then click on install. Once you do that, they're gonna disappear from here, and you can go back into settings, and right here you can see they're downloading and installing. Once tools is installed, which you can do, you can click on start and you can scroll down over here until you'll see Windows administrative tools, and then you can expand that, and then right here you can see they just showed up. This is Active Directory, the one I just downloaded, and this is the DHCP. And you can add as many tools as you need. So just to recap, if your Windows 10 version is 1803 or lower, then you go to this website and you download tools from here. But if your version is 1809 or higher, then you have to go to settings, apps and features, and then optional features and add features, and download them from here. If this video was helpful, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.